For homeowners in Redmond, balancing style with practicality is a key part of maintaining a beautiful home. With its mix of modern builds and traditional Northwest architecture, the city offers diverse opportunities to highlight character and design. One simple yet powerful way to enhance your property's look is by installing double-hung windows. Known for their versatility and timeless style, double-hung windows don't just improve functionality indoors. They play a major role in boosting curb appeal and making your home stand out in the neighborhood. A timeless, classic-look double-hung windows feature two operable sashes that slide vertically. Their balanced design has been a staple in American homes for centuries. Traditional charm. Perfect for colonial, craftsman, and Victorian-style homes commonly found in Redmond. Modern appeal. Sleek frame options and updated finishes also make them suitable for contemporary houses. Versatile customization. Grills, trim styles, and frame colors can be selected to complement your home's exterior. From the street, these windows create a polished, cohesive look that enhances the architectural beauty of your home. Symmetry that elevates design. Curb appeal often depends on balance, and double-hung windows deliver exactly that. Their symmetrical appearance adds structure and harmony to your exterior design. Evenly spaced windows create visual rhythm along your facade. Matching upper and lower sashes give your home a balanced profile. Custom sizing allows you to install them in groupings for a more dramatic effect. Whether you're updating a single room or your entire house, double-hung windows contribute to an exterior design that feels well-proportioned and inviting. Expansive natural light and views. One of the easiest ways to boost curb appeal is by creating inviting interiors that are visible from the outside. Double-hung windows, with their wide openings and slim frames, allow more natural light to brighten your spaces. Sunlit interiors are attractive from the street, giving your home a welcoming glow. Large glass areas provide unobstructed views of Redmond's greenery and scenic surroundings. Custom grille patterns let you highlight traditional or modern aesthetics while showcasing your home's character. A bright interior framed by beautiful windows adds to the overall impression of your property. Practical benefits that last. Curb appeal isn't just about looks, it's also about how well your home performs. Double-hung windows offer practical advantages that contribute to your property's value. Improved ventilation. Both sashes open, allowing for airflow from top and bottom. Easy maintenance. Many models have tilt-in sashes for simple cleaning from inside your home. Energy efficiency. Modern double-hung windows come with insulated glass and weather stripping that reduce drafts and energy loss. These functional features make your home more comfortable while maintaining a clean, polished look on the outside. Boosting property value. Upgrading your windows is one of the most effective ways to increase your home's resale value. Double-hung windows, with their widespread appeal and enduring design, are a smart choice for Redmond homeowners. Broad market appeal. Buyers appreciate their timeless style and ease of use. Energy-efficient upgrades. Prospective owners value lower energy costs and sustainable living. Enhanced aesthetics. A refreshed, modernized exterior makes your home stand out in the market. By installing double-hung windows, you're not just improving curb appeal, you're also investing in your property's long-term value. Professional installation. For best results. To maximize both beauty and performance, professional installation is essential. Experienced window installers ensure a snug, airtight fit for efficiency. Proper alignment for smooth operation. Custom finishes that highlight your home's unique architecture. With expert installation, your new windows will look stunning and last for decades. Final thoughts. For Redmond homeowners, double-hung windows are the perfect balance of timeless charm, modern performance, and design versatility. They brighten interiors, enhance symmetry, and showcase your home's character, all while boosting curb appeal and resale value. If you're ready to give your home a fresh look that's as practical as it is stylish, consider upgrading to double-hung windows. With professional installation, you'll enjoy the lasting beauty and performance that make your Redmond home a standout in any neighborhood.